In this video, we will discuss how to remove these hash error and why we are getting these kind of hash error and what are the missing things over here and how can we get the right value without these error. So we have a few questions found on the Google, and we will get the answer from here and we'll apply over here right now in few minutes. So the first, why we are getting these hash error in the Excel. In Excel, at times we get hashtags errors. This error occur when there is nothing missing in the cell. Means we are not missing any things, anything in the cell, and the formula which we applied over there, that's correct. It just there isn't enough space for new or updated value, as the Microsoft Excel site error is Excel way of saying that the cell wide isn't enough for the value, for the length of value. Means the space is not enough to appear the correct and complete value on that cell. So what should you do if you see hash error in Excel? The basic Excel tip, if you are looking at Excel is a spreadsheet and increase this seeing number, you are only seeing hashes. It's usually means that the number is wider than the column. All you need to increase the column wide in order to see the number. So we just apply these things on this Excel, and let's see how it's appear and what and if we are getting this error. The third question is, how do I remove hashes from the Excel? When using Microsoft Excel, I usually solve hash error by double clicking the head of ding column headers. This can be a bit tedious, however, when are multiple column displaying errors at the same time. So the fourth thing we are going to discuss about it, how do I fix hash error in Excel? To fix, try to increase the column width first. So we need to increase this column wide, so we will get the right number or right figure. Let's see how we are going to apply. So drag the column mark at the right until you have the double or triple the wide. If the cell display properly, adjust the wide back down as needed, or apply a shortened format. So we will apply a shortened format. We will increase the header side, and we apply a shorter weight of to get the right number. So we will apply three things. So we can increase the size or we can decrease the size by this way. But what are three things? Let's discuss. So first, we are getting the random numbers over here, random between and this. Let me remove this. Let me show you why sometimes this error appears in this way and sometimes this error appears in another way. So let me show you both things first of all. So random between, and here you can see we are not getting hash error, but we are getting some kind of error over here. Here you can see. So why we are not getting hash error over here, and how in what condition we are getting hash error over here? So we will discuss about it right now. We will get the numbers over here as well, like this. Sorry, like this from to this, and yes. So here you can see we are not getting hash error, but we are getting errors in the figures. So what can we do over here? Here you can see we have the format of this cell as journal. Once we change the format, so it will change the error format. You can see over here. Let me increase few more. Alright, so here you can see we have few errors over here, but the first way we can reduce the we can apply the shorter number format. What is that? We can apply, we can remove the decimal, so we can have the right figure over here, but without errors. If you can see, we have more zero or more decimals after more number after decimals, so we will have the error. But the shorter format of this figure, we can reduce the numbers after decimals. The other way we can increase the size of the header, or we can adjust according to the numbers. But it's it's difficult to manage in huge data. If we have huge data till the end, so we are unable to manage all the figures at once. So the right way is to manage this figure or this error, remove this error. We just need to double click on the header, so we will get the right figures over here, and we can remove the decimal as well from these, so we can have the shorter column. So this is the way you can remove hash errors. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, or leave your comment if you have any question, or let me know how, if you learned something or what you want to know more about Excel. Thank you.